All right, we need to talk. Vibe coding. It's not just a meme, it's a full-blown movement. And if you've ever let your gut write an entire function while your brain took a coffee break, congratulations, you're already part of it. No docs, no roadmap, no clue where things are going. Just pure, unfiltered instinct. It's coding the way jazz musicians play the sax, or the code equivalent to spray and pray. And here's the thing, vibe coding isn't just about chaos anymore. It's evolved. The real pioneers aren't just freestyling code, they're skipping the whole typing part entirely and letting AI do all the work. You don't write functions, you describe them. You don't debug, you paste error messages into an LLM and let it struggle for you. You don't even need to know what's happening under the hood. Just keep hitting accept all and pray it doesn't accidentally create Skynet. But here's the kicker. The real movement is not coding at all, or rather letting AI do it for you. It's the tech industry's version of deciding you're a chef because you told DoorDash what you wanted for dinner. This isn't some futuristic pipe dream. It's already happening. And one of the biggest names in AI, Andrej Karpathy, is all in on it. He calls it forgetting the code even exists. No thinking, no hesitation. YC-backed founders are already shifting their workflows around this approach. In a recent survey, one founder stated, "I don't write code much, I just think and review." Another admitted, "I'm far less attached to my code now. Since I can code 3 times as fast, it's easy for me to scrap and rewrite if I need to." They aren't hobbyists. These are some of the most technical founders in Silicon Valley.
They're not confessing. They're bragging.
And they're all saying the same thing. Coding isn't what it used to be. It's a wild shift in how coding works. Instead of manually tweaking a sidebar's padding, you just tell the AI, make the sidebar padding smaller. And instead of spending hours learning a new library, you just ask AI to implement it and accept whatever it spits out. But let's be honest, there are serious trade-offs. Vibe coding works great for quick prototypes and weekend projects, but the second you try to maintain a growing production-level code base written purely on vibes, things get dicey. AI doesn't always write good code. It doesn't always optimize for performance, and sometimes it hallucinates solutions that look right but don't actually work. Debugging is a nightmare. AI coding tools still struggle with reasoning, and many developers report that AI-generated code is often great until something breaks. Then it's a game of copy-pasting, rolling the dice, and hoping the AI figures it out. As one founder put it, you have to spoon-feed the AI like a first-time software engineer to get it to debug properly. Others take the Karpathy approach and just re-roll the entire feature instead of fixing the bug. Why debug when you can just regenerate? The consequences of this are still playing out. Right now, many companies are using AI-generated code for up to 95% of their code base. The first generation of software engineers who never wrote code manually is emerging. They're shipping fast, but will their system scale? Will they be able to debug when things inevitably break? So is vibe coding the future? Probably. But is it practical? Depends on how much chaos you're willing to tolerate. If you're hacking together a quick project, embrace the vibes. If you're running production software, maybe, just maybe, read the diffs before blindly accepting AI's changes. As Y Combinator put it, this isn't a fad, this isn't going away, this is the dominant way to code now. If you're not at least experimenting with it, you might just get left behind. All right, that's enough for today. Like, subscribe, and if you've ever vibe coded something into a complete disaster, let me know in the comments below. Don't be shy, we've all been there. It's coding the way jazz music. It's coding the way jazz music. Un momento, por favor. Chat beat. Get into it.